Hi guys, welcome back and you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Today I'm going to show you how I make my beef fried rice with minimal ingredients. This is my version guys, and this video was made about 1 month ago, and that was during the quarantine season where there was no means of getting any fresh seasonings. So I'm going to show you how you can make fried rice without certain ingredients and you can still come out with a great flavor. Alright, and every details will be listed in the description box below. As you can see that the beef looks a little whitish. Yes guys, I soaked it for 30 long minutes with just vinegar and a little bit of water because I wanted to get all that bloodiness out from that meat. Alright, that also helps to cook the meat a little faster. Vinegar softens meat. Okay, so that's how I do it. Add boiling water and baking powder into the pot with the meat so that it would cook the meat faster. You don't need to use a pressure cooker when you do this, alright? The meat is gonna get so soft and nice. Let's do the rice guys. Here you can see I add the oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the onion, ginger and celery right into the oil. Let this saute for 1 minute. Then I'm going to add the rice. This is 1 cup of white rice. It all depends on the type of rice that you use. Then you want to fry this rice for about 3 minutes over high heat. You want to do this until most of the moisture is out from the rice. Now I'm going to add some 5-spice powder and continue stirring while it is frying. Add 2 vegetable cubes in here. Stir it up again. And this recipe is so easy and simple to make guys. Alright, I just try to bring easy and simple step-by-step recipes that you can follow. Once I do this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you don't want to put too much of soy sauce. Why? Because when you saute the vegetables with the spices and you cook the meat with all those spices, it tends to bring back a color into the rice. So you don't want to put too much of soy sauce because we're looking to get a very nice color. We don't want our fried rice to be too dark. So at this time you can see that the rice is sticking to the bottom of the pan, and it depends on the type of rice you also use. So when you're gonna cook this fried rice, you need to use a little bit of water at a time, and it's best to use hot water. So I'm going to just add water right above the level of the rice. Give it a nice little stir. Cover the pot and turn the fire down very low and let this cook. After 5 minutes, this is what the rice looks like. At this time, I'm going to add some brown sugar, and you can cook a fried rice without sugar, right? This is where the flavor comes in. Not too sweet, but it brings out a flavor. Along with 1 tablespoon of butter, mix it well. So you can see now, guys, that the rice is done. I'm just going to cover the pot and let this sit aside until the grains are completely cooked on its own. Now over to sauteing our vegetables. And like I said earlier, there were no fresh vegetables. I just had to use what I had in my refrigerator. So once the oil gets hot, I add some diced carrot. And I like my vegetables a little crunchy when I'm cooking fried rice. So I'm not going to saute them too much. Here I'm going to add some red bell pepper. And I normally use boro, and some people call it string beans, all right, but I had none. There, I'm saying it again. So I'm going to use some corn along with some green beans. And I'm not using any fine thyme. I'm not using no celery, guys. And if you're from Guyana, you would know how we cook our fried rice. If we don't have that celery, then it's not fried rice, all right? But then with all of the seasonings, trust me, you still come out with a great flavor. So my mixed seasoning, some ginger powder and cube powder and everything is all mixed up here. So I did add some red onions. You can use the white onions, that's all right. Right over the rice and give it a good mix. I also did add some broccoli. And you can see at this time that the rice color has been changed. So the rice is still hot, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix it well. Place the cover over the pot and set it aside. Remember, no heat under this pot. This is just the mixing stage. So over to the beef, and you can see that the beef is getting there. You just need like 2-3 more minutes to cook. Look at this here. So I'm testing it, and you can see it's all finished. It's soft and nice. So I'm going to pour it right over into the rice. Mix it well, guys. And here is our fried rice. Fried rice all done, ready to serve. So guys, give this fried rice a try. It's just minimal ingredients with great flavors, and If you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. Give my video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment and press the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload the next video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you soon.